Staying at the Westin Galleria Houston? Here is what they don't tell you. Welcome back to Escape on Time. If you are trying to decide where to stay in Houston, or you already have a stay book at the Westin Galleria Houston, this video will help you get the most out of it. Whether you are here for business, a quick staycation, or a family trip, I will walk you through the room, rooftop pool, free parking, and most importantly, the location, including walking distance to the iconic Gerald D. Hines Waterwall Park. Because what really makes the hotel stand out isn't just the room, it is the convenience. You are directly connected to the Galleria, the largest shopping mall in Texas, with restaurants, shopping, and everything just steps away. So, in this review, I will take you through the actual guest experience, a few things you should know before booking, and ultimately answer the big question, is Westin Galleria Houston really worth it? First, a necessary clarification. There are two Westin properties at the Galleria. The Westin Oaks is located on the West Thyma Road, while the Westin Galleria is on West Alabama Street. This review focuses specifically on the Westin Galleria, which is often the preferred choice for business travelers and those seeking direct access to the mall's primary luxury wing. Now that we have covered the location, let's talk about one of the most significant benefits of this hotel, and something they don't tell you clearly in marketing, is the parking situation. So this is the brown parking lot, which are adjacent to Westin. We have just arrived at the Brown Garage, also known as Brown Parking. This is a shared parking area for both mall visitors and hotel guests staying at the Westin Galleria Houston. In a city where uptown hotels often charge $40 to $50 per night for parking, this hotel offers complimentary self-parking for guests. This is a rare and valuable benefit in this area. So, if you are renting a car or driving in from nearby cities and staying at the Westin Galleria Houston, this free parking benefit alone can save you a good amount of money during your stay. While the hotel offers valet parking for $58 per night plus tax, the self-parking in the adjacent Brown Garage is a much more convenient and cost-effective alternative. Most travelers will find it extremely easy to park here and reach the front lobby in less than 3 minutes. We have now made our way to the lobby of Westin Galleria Houston. As you enter, the lobby sets a tone of modern sophistication. The design features natural elements and warm ambient lighting, creating a calm and welcoming atmosphere. It is not overly flashy, but it is well maintained and functional, exactly what you would expect from a hotel in this category. On the side, there is also a bar area, along with comfortable sitting spaces, perfect if you are waiting, meeting someone, or just having a drink before heading out. The check-in process itself is straightforward. When we arrived, there was only one staff member at the front desk, so it felt a bit quieter, but overall, everything moved quickly and efficiently. Within a few minutes, we had our room keys and were ready to head upstairs. Before we go up, one more important convenience to point out. There is a direct, climate control entrance from the Brown Garage straight into the lobby. It makes the transition seamless, even with luggage, and is one of those small details that really adds convenience. On top of that, it can easily save you over $60 a day compared to valet parking. So to recap the arrival, finding the hotel, parking at the Brown Garage, and checking in were all very easy and efficient. Now, we're heading up to the guest floors. One detail they don't tell you is that security is a high priority here. You will need your key card to access the elevators, which adds extra layer of comfort given the hotel's direct connection to the public mall. What is this one? Is the closet? Let's check this out, how big this is. Alright, so they have a safe and the Westin robe over here. So this just looks good. And the next, I think there is a refrigerator, I think. Check this one down. Yeah, so there is a small refrigerator. Nice. And this is the coffee. Alright, let's check out the bathroom. There you go. They have a walk-in shower. Looks good. So this is 2 queen beds. We booked a traditional 2 queen guest room. Typically, Marriott Bonvoy Gold Estates provide an upgrade when available. However, the front desk confirmed the property was fully booked during our stay. The honest truth for travelers is to be prepared to stay in the room category they originally booked, regardless of status. While this is an entry-level category for the property, the 2 queen configuration feels open and well organized. The floor-to-ceiling windows are a standout feature, offering a fantastic view of the uptown skyline and providing plenty of natural lights that makes the space feel much larger than the square foot suggests. For those visiting on business who rely on high-speed internet connectivity, it is worth noting the internet performance. During a speed test, both download and upload speeds were under 10 Mbps. While this was sufficient for basic needs and casual browsing, it is not particularly fast for a premium business hotel. This is definitely an area where the hotel could improve to meet modern standards. Overall, the room provides all the standard amenities expected of a Westin brand, ensuring a comfortable and seamless stay. From a utility perspective, especially for families, the presence of an in-room refrigerator is a significant benefit. Having the ability to store the late-night snacks or sandwiches, paired with the ability of a microwave in the lobby, makes a practical difference in the daily experience.
Microwave here.
You'll find this pantry area known as the market. This is where the microwave is located, along with plastic plates and napkins, a small but essential detail that they don't tell you is provided for guest use. You can also purchase a variety of items here, including packaged snacks, chips, bottled drinks, box cereal, ice cream, and even essential like over-the-counter medicine, all without having to leave the Westin Galleria Houston. Now, let's head straight to the Galleria through hotel's interior connection and take a look at the dining options. Alright, so we are at the mall right now, the Galleria Mall. If you are doing the Museum of Illusions, it's right over here. One thing they don't really tell you is just how close everything is. Within just a couple of minutes of stepping through the sliding doors of the hotel, you will already find the attractions, like the Museum of Illusions, right around the corner, an easy option if you are traveling with kids or just looking for something nearby. As we continue toward the dining area, let's talk about the dining situation. So that's the Daily Grill. Technically, there is no traditional on-site restaurant owned by the hotel. Instead, they partnered with the Daily Grill, located just inside the mall entrance. It serves classic American fare and functions as the hotel's main dining outlet. You'll typically receive a breakfast coupon at check-in, and you can charge your meals here directly to your room. But honestly, that's not the most exciting part. For many, the honest truth about staying here is effortless, climate-controlled access to the Galleria's massive dining scene. Within a 5-minute walk, you transition from the quiet hotel lobby to some of the best Japanese, Mediterranean, and seafood restaurants in the uptown area. Whether you are looking for high-end luxury dining or a quick bite at the food court, the variety is incredible, making this a perfect setup for families with kids. You can easily rotate through different dining options here at the Galleria for breakfast, lunch, and dinner without ever getting bored. It is one of those hidden advantages of staying at the Westin Galleria Houston. And if you have never visited before, the mall itself is your first major Houston attraction. It is a world-class luxury destination that is absolutely worth seeing, even if you are not a big shopper. Having all of this in a climate-controlled environment, just steps from your room, is the real honest truth about the value here. The location benefits don't end with the mall. You can walk less than 10 minutes from the Westin lobby to reach another major Houston landmark, the Waterwall. It is a must-see attraction that is completely free. No parking fees, no traffic hassle, just a simple, scenic walk from your room to enjoy one of the city's most iconic spots. We'll also have a separate full video coming soon, covering the water wall in more detail, including the best angles and tips for visiting. Let's head back inside the Westin Galleria Houston and take a look at the rooftop pool. It is located on the 5th floor, and you'll need your room key to access this area. As we make our way up to the pool, one more thing to note, there is also a fitness center on site, located on the 24th floor. So, if you like to keep up with your routine while traveling, you have that option here as well. I hope this review gives you a helpful overview of what is actually like staying here. And if you are planning a trip to Houston and need a rental car from the airport, be sure to check out our IAH car rental guide. We share a few tips there that can save you time and avoid common airport rental mistakes. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are finding value in this guide, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more travel reviews. So they have a rooftop pool. There you go. Now, here is the look of the rooftop pool. There are plenty of lounge chairs available, and the space is very clean and well maintained. It is not a resort-style pool, but it offers a nice, open area to relax, whether you are traveling solo, as a couple, or with the family. The area is secure, and being up here gives it more private feel, away from the busy mall below. For families, this is a great bonus, having a spot where kids can enjoy the pool, while you unwind and take in the surroundings. Overall, this hotel isn't trying to be a luxury resort, and it is really not the point. What it does well is convenience. From free and easy parking to the direct access to the Galleria, to walkable attraction like the water wall, everything here is designed to make your stay simple and efficient. It is one of those hidden advantages you don't fully realize until you stay here. So, is the Westin Galleria Houston really worth it? If the location, value and convenience matter to you, then yes, it is definitely a strong option to consider. I hope this helps you plan your stay and gives you a better perspective. Until next time, travel smarter, not harder. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.